Exposing the secret to dual booting Android and Windows, your PC can run both. Let's unlock a whole new world of Android apps right on your computer. Ready for a fast, friendly walkthrough? First, grab the latest Android-x86 ISO from the official website. Choose 32 or 64-bit to match your PC. Next, plug in an 8GB or larger USB drive and use Rufus or Balena Etcher to make it bootable with that ISO file. Now restart your PC and dive into the BIOS, usually by tapping F2, F10, F12, or Del. Disable Secure Boot and set your USB drive as the first boot device. Boot into the Android-x86 installer, pick Install to hard disk and select your target partition. Want to keep Windows? Shrink your main drive first and use the free space. Going all in? Warning! Using the entire disk wipes everything. Choose XT4 for the file system, then say yes to installing Grub for easy dual booting. When it's done, remove the USB, reboot, and pick Android-x86 from the menu. Set up Android just like on your phone and enjoy a whole new computing experience.